loves, welcome back to my channel. So it is wash day and I am going from straight hair back to straight hair, and I've been doing this, I want to say, since October with little to no heat damage. Okay, so I want to show you guys a routine that has been tried and true to my hair and keeping my curls intact. So first, I'm just starting off by detangling my hair, and this is the key right here. So this is the Redken acidic bond treatment. I first got this on my birthday over the summer from Ulta as a gift, and I loved it so much that I went and bought the big bottle, y'all. And when I say this is a lifesaver for my curls, especially with the heat that I've been using. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure your hair is damp, and you're going to get a little bit nervous like me. Every time I'm like, oh my gosh, did it not work this time? But don't worry, like, your hair will be fine. And then you want to go in with the acidic bond treatment and just rub it in like a conditioner. So I'm going to do this to my entire head section by section, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like after a while, because you want to let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes. I always do on the longer side, like more so on the 10-minute side, and then I'll show you guys what's next. So my camera was in manual mode for some reason, so I was a little bit out of focus for this part. That's why it's not as crisp, but don't worry, it's going to clear up. And just like I said, no worries needed. The curls are coming back, y'all. Look at this. Like, this is, I needed this when I was younger so bad, okay? So after that, I let my hair sit for 10 minutes, and this is how it looks. And then I'm going to go in with the Olaplex number 4, but the clarifying one, because I like to clarify when I straighten my hair, because it just gets my hair so clean and so straight. So this is what my hair looks like after clarifying. The curls are still there. It's just a little while. And then I like to go in with the Care Thermal Wonder. So I love this stuff. It's literally almost empty, but this is for heat. Like, this whole line is for doing your hair with heat. So this is what my hair looks like after using that. And that one's a little more moisturizing than the clarifying one. So this is how my hair looks. And now for the deep conditioner. So this is my bae, okay? This is LovelyB's Oh Honey Moisture Mask. And if you need slip, y'all, then this is the conditioner for you. So I love this conditioner so much because I can finger detangle. And when I clarify, my hair is so dry. Like, I literally, like, my fingers get stuck. I can't get them through. But when I use this deep conditioner, it literally melts the tangles away. Okay, so I'm gonna do this, and I let this sit in my hair for probably like an hour because I started early after the gym, which is why I'm in gym clothes. And then I'm gonna take a shower, rinse it out, and then come back for the rest of my hair. But look at how my fingers are just gliding through my hair, y'all. Like, I love this deep conditioner so much. It's literally one of my proudest products. But yeah, it makes me not even want to use my dimming brush, but I'm gonna go in with my dimming brush anyway, just to make sure the tangles are completely out. And look how my hair is bouncing up, y'all. Like, when I say I'm getting little to no heat damage with this method and these products, I mean it. I mean it.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, see you. My baby, you know, right with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die.
So I took a shower and rinsed the deep conditioner out, and after that, time literally got a hold of me, y'all. So this is 5 hours later. My hair is completely dry with no product in it, so I had to re-wet it because I'm using my RevAir, and your hair has to be wet to use the RevAir. So I wet it and went in with this number 9 by Olaplex. This is a bond smoother, and I love this stuff as well for straightening your hair. It just makes it super silky. Like, you can see the silk on my wet hair. And then I'm going in with this Color Wow. This is a humidity protector that I've been using forever. So yeah, I'm going in with this, and the key with this is you want to use a lot. Like, you have to literally soak your hair in it. And then I'm going to go in with my RevAir, get my hair nice and stretched, and then we'll start to straighten it.
I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele, everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me.
Like, look at the shine on my hair, y'all. And it's not weighed down, it's not greasy, it's not stiff or any of that. It just has like a nice sheen to it.
You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me.
So the RevAir does a really good job at getting my hair straight and getting it flat. Like some blow dryers will get your hair straight, if that makes sense, like stretch, but it will still be kind of big. The RevAir gets it really smooth. And now I'm going in with my Care. This is another heat protectant, y'all. I love, love, love this stuff. And this gives a subtle sheen without it being greasy as well. Even though I don't really need the sheen, but I really, really like this heat protectant. So I'm going in with my Baby Bliss Titanium Pro flat irons, y'all. I think this is a 1-inch barrel, but I've been having these flat irons for maybe like 7 years, no lie, and they are still my top #1. No matter how many flat irons I get, this will always be my go-to. And I like to only do one pass, and because these flat irons are so good, I can get away with doing only one pass, and we need that because we don't want heat damage. But look how silky my hair got from just that one pass. So I'm going to do this section by section all the way to the top, and then we'll go from there.
Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But, get it, come to me, come to me, rescue. Come to me, Fatu bata jembele, oh, Lord. If I do mother jembele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, if I do mother jembele, everything being safe again, no. Everything for your jembele, oh, yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me.
So finishing my hair off with a tiny bit of this number 7 Olaplex bonding oil, just a little bit. You don't need a lot at all. And this is how my hair came out, y'all. It looks so good. It's so silky, and this is going to last me for at least 3 weeks. Like, I've been getting 3+ weeks with my hair straight doing this method with these products, and this is it. Nice movement, not greasy, not sticky, not weighed down, and it is straight. So this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for the night, and then I'll take it down in the morning so you guys can see how it looks the next day.
You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Keep us safe, baby, you're keeping us safe. I see you. You are not a friend of me, no.
So here we are the next day, and the twist again is a must. I don't know why I always do this. I feel like it just adds a little extra something when you're wrapping your hair or taking it down. But I'm going to go ahead and shake this down because it is fresh, and I can do that when it's fresh. And look at the sheen, y'all. It looks so good. It's still nice and straight. It has that nice little silky effect to it without being greasy or stiff. And I'm going to take a little bit of my Lovely Beast Edge Control. When I say a little bit, I mean the tiniest bit, and just fix the edges up a little bit because I don't really straighten my edges because I'd be scared. But yeah, this is how it came out. It's still silky, still has movement, not stiff at all. And yeah, I'll have everything down below for you guys. I don't have any coupon codes, but I'll have links for everything. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.
Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me.